Hey guys, welcome to Youngs Unpacked for the first time. I am Sam.
I'm Abbie.
And we are a small family in North Carolina. We have a 4-year-old, almost 5-year-old daughter and a 6-month-old little boy.
Yeah.
And we are starting off this vlog for a couple different reasons. For me, my main inspiration is we love to do these Disney cruises. And we want to travel more, as it is not just Disney, but Disney cruise is really our favorite vacation. And
Yeah.
we've been on three Disney cruises so far, and I've recorded different things and said I was gonna vlog. So
Yeah.
there's many things that have kind of gotten in the way, mainly myself. But now I'm just like, all right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna jump in and do it. So what are some of your main things for why you want to vlog?
Well, aside from sharing our love for the cruise, I want to do this also kind of like a family vlog, so that we can kind of share a day in the life of what it's like as our crazy family. And yeah, I mean, I think that's our drive, honestly, to share with you guys our love for Disney, because um even when we're not cruising, we love to watch videos of cruising.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think one of the things that I think will make this a lot of fun for us is being able to share it with you guys, because we're always being told we're extremely goofy or whatever. We have random moments. So I think it'd be fun to share all that.
Yeah, I think so. So that's pretty much the content that we're looking to put forward. Is really, it's first of all inspired by Disney Cruise. We want to maybe venture into the parks. That's a whole nother discussion for a whole nother day. However, but the other thing is really our daily life. The things that we do, the things that make us.
Yeah.
And then, other travels that we do. We hope to possibly inspire somebody else out there who wants to start a channel or something like that. But at the end of the day, we want to just have fun, be real, and be us. But speaking of Disney cruises, we actually have one coming up. And we will give more details in our next video. But we are super excited.
Yes.
Our first 3 Disney cruises were all on the Fantasy.
Yeah, that's true.
So
we decided to change it up.
The Fantasy is kind of like our Disney cruise home, if you will. But we're excited because this will be on the Treasure.
The newest one for this year.
Currently. There's two more in the works.
Yeah.
But it's currently the newest one. But we have some other content that we're going to be putting out. Probably just some countdown stuff, some packing things, some tips and tricks, especially, traveling with smaller children.
Our traveling style is different too. I know it's common for not plane, but it's common for airplane travel for most of the Disney cruises, but we don't go that way. So
it all just depends on where you live.
Yes.
Since we're in North Carolina, live like 8 hours away from Port Canaveral, so it's kind of convenient. With that being said, yeah, we road trip, so it can be interesting at times. Interesting.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah. So just kind of little things that we do, things that have helped us, struggles that we've had, but also, successes that we have found in different things like that.
So being that we are from North Carolina, I think it would be awesome to see how far our video reaches. So hello to our viewers, whoever is watching right now. Like and subscribe.
No,
How everyone really says it, like and subscribe.
But if you've watched this video all the way through, then you can go ahead and let us know in the comments where you guys are from.
Yeah.
But if you are interested in any of this content, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe and join us for the journey that we're about to go on, because I mean, we're excited for it.
Definitely.
And we'd love to have you guys come along with us.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
thank you, and we'll see you guys in the next one.